For today's video, I have something super exciting. Well, it has been super exciting for me. I don't know, recently I haven't been excited by that many launches, but this one, oh my god. I mean, you already know from the title of this video. The Norvina palette. It is so freaking beautiful. I have it right here. It was probably the best thing to have come out of going to Beautycon. I had no idea it was gonna be there like exclusively before it actually launched, so we were super excited. Here is a palette. You guys have probably seen it if you're clicking on this video. Personally, I love it. I love it so much. Excuse my nails. In today's video, I should probably know what I'm gonna do today. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the look that I did for Beautycon because I used this day 2. And yeah, we're just gonna talk about the palette. I'm gonna rant a little bit about Beautycon because I have to. I think it'll help somebody else out there who's planning on going next year, doesn't know, you know, if it's their thing or whatever. Hopefully they come across this video and it helps them out, because I don't know, I thought Beautycon was gonna be something different than it was, or maybe I was just hyping it up too much. I don't know. It wasn't horrible at all. It was still fun, but it just wasn't exactly what I was expecting. So, but I'll get into that later. So I already primed my eyelids. I'm gonna get closer. Okay, let's just get freaking started before I keep talking. Okay, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into the shade Incense. I took another blending brush and I got the shade Love. As you can see, it is powdery, but I went into it very lightly and then I just tapped the powder outside of the palette, so I don't make the palette a mess. I'm going to place this in the middle. I'm gonna turn down this brightness in case it's like making it hard to see. I really love this shade Love. That's what it's called, because it's not a total matte. It's like a satin. It's got a really subtle satin finish, and it just makes it really easy to blend. Okay, now we're actually gonna go into concealer again. This is the best way for matte eyeshadows. Really any kind of eyeshadow, but when you turn this to this look with the matte eyeshadow, I realized that this was the best. And then I'm going to take the shade Soul, this beautiful like periwinkle blue purple. It's a little bit more purple than regular periwinkle. It's really unique and gorgeous. I took it with my finger and now I'm just placing it on top of the concealer. And then I'm gonna go in the outer corner and place this concealer where I want to put gorgeous Soul color. Okay, so that looks a little crazy. I'm gonna go in with a clean blending brush, but I want a smaller-ish one. Okay, this one. And I'm gonna blend up. I guess not up, I'm just gonna blend into that first color. Blend it in there. I'm gonna go in with this first brush we use. Okay, it's this brush. I'm gonna go in with Incense, which was the neutral round shade, and I'm gonna blend these 2 shades together. Now I want a more pinkier hue, so I'm gonna go in with Love. Again, with the same brush that I used for Love. I do have to say, this color Soul is a little bit, I feel like it disappeared from my eyes a little bit fast. Like I'm already adding more color because it just doesn't feel like as bright as I want it to be. So finally we're gonna go into a shimmery shade, and I'm gonna go into Wild Child. If you saw, actually, I'm gonna go into Celestial first, pink. So after Celestial, which is gorgeous by the way, I'm gonna go in with Wild Child. This beautiful pink. And I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Ooh, that's a lot. So what I was gonna rant about Beautycon was the fact that it was just mostly a whole day making lines. And if you're thinking that's pretty much like Disneyland or Universal or any one of those things, that's pretty much all you do. Yes, that I understand that, and that also sucks. I hate lines. I just wasn't expecting that. I don't know what I was expecting, but so one of the things, okay, let me go back. One of the things that I was expecting that it seemed like Beautycon was all about was just doing like kind of little fun things with brands, taking pictures at their booths, them having some sort of activity for you to do, and then you get something for free. You get a freebie or something. It was just all these brands where you can just buy their stuff at a discount. Like the panels were cool. Like I saw Angel doing somebody's makeup. Mariale was there doing somebody's makeup, but I didn't get to see her. Maybe it's because I'm older or something, and this is enjoyed by people younger than me that, you know, are just obsessed with getting free little things and meeting all their favorite people and getting to see Kim and all those things. But I even sat down to eat my hot dog while Kim was talking because for some reason I couldn't hear her where I was, and I couldn't see her because I'm too short. So I saw her for 3 seconds. I still couldn't understand anything she was saying. I would have definitely listened to her. I actually like the girl. And she really looked so gorgeous in person. This palette just got me really, really excited, really happy. It is just inspiring me to do so many looks, and I wanted to share that with somebody, and I thought that would be a good incentive for me to finally post my first video and actually tell people about it, so that I buy this for somebody and make them super happy, but also obviously gain something from it. Whatever my rules were gonna be were probably like follow me, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment or something like that. Like that obviously was going to help me too. And then I get there and they're sold out. So yeah, it was disappointing. Now, let's talk about these shades because, oh my god. Let me tell you why I love this palette. I haven't even used it all, but I know I love it all already. I feel like all these shades have micro glitter in them. Like it's not just a sheen. This one also has tiny little pink glitters in it. Celestial, Wild Child definitely has little pink glitters in it. Rose Gold also has, I'm pretty sure, gold glitter in it. It just makes all these pop a lot, and it makes them also unique to your collection. Honestly, I don't have a palette like this at all. When I want something purple and pastel-y, if that's even a word, pastel-like, and maybe even a little festival-like, this is the palette that I'm reaching. It's one of the most fun palettes to have come out this year, I think. And okay, well, I think I sold this palette enough already. Whoever is gonna pick this up after watching the video is gonna be pumped, because I was so freaking pumped. Okay, I'm just gonna finish my look and I will be right back. And I guess we'll just talk about this giveaway, because I still really want to give something away. I think especially this palette. It just made me so happy as soon as I saw it, when it came out, when I saw it in person, playing with it now, thinking about somebody else opening this up and loving it just as much makes me just so happy. So I'm gonna do this giveaway. Gonna do it. I haven't really come up with any rules or anything, so the rules are gonna be written below. All right, finally done with the look. I'm obsessed. I love it. It's just so much fun. It's really not my typical everyday makeup, but this just makes me so happy when I look at myself in the mirror. Just like, look at all this fun, beautiful color. Okay, that's it for the video. Please enter if you want to win this. I'm sure not that many people are going to enter because I literally just started. I think I have 4 subscribers. So you got a really good chance. So good luck. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I don't think I ever said what my name was. Okay, let's go back another second. My name is Laura. It is so nice to meet you. I'm so glad you're here. I'm really excited to finally get this going, keep going with it, and I'm extremely excited to give away this palette. So please enter the giveaway, subscribe, like this video. What was I trying to say? I don't know, never mind, who cares? I'm just gonna say bye. Okay, thanks for watching, bye.